This task quickly and easily calculates the volume generated between two surfaces. In our example, we have two open pit positions, and we need to calculate the volume between them. To do so, you can easily initialize the first and second calculated polygons. Next, if you want, you can select a boundary to limit the area and facilitate the calculation process. The grid step is another important parameter, as it directly affects the accuracy of the calculation. Logically enough, the smaller the grid step, the more accurate the result. However, don't make it too small for large areas. Otherwise, you risk overloading your computer with a huge number of calculations. We have recently added the feature to record the calculation result in a special object inside the calculation boundary. In our example, it would be logical to choose an excavator as such an object. So the setup didn't take long, and now we can run the calculation. The result appears in the table. The result is also recorded in the excavator's property.